Hi everyone, I'd like to demonstrate the Windows network radio that I have here. It's pretty much the same layout as the Android one that I use. If you haven't seen that one, you can have a look at my other videos. So we can do a test on the echo test on the Zello quickly. I can just log in here. Just logging into Zello. Echo test 1 2 3 4. Echo test 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's exit out of this one, and we can do a test on Echolink. Logging into Echolink. Let's do a test on the echo test. Okay, that one.
Welcome to the Echolink test server. This server records your transmissions and plays them back to help you adjust your transmitted and received audio. Please feel free to connect as often as you like.
Echo test 1 2 3. Echo test 1 2 3. Okay, let's exit out of here. And we can try the peanuts. Let's log in. With the peanut, unfortunately the PTT system works a bit differently. We've got to use a toggle on this one, which is this little switch here. I've got two different PTT signalings here. So if we go onto that one, we can use toggle. As you can see, if you push the mic once, then you transmit 1 2 3 4 5, and then you push the mic again to stop. Transmit 1 2 3 4 5, and then you push the mic again. So that's how that one works. Test 1 2 3 4 5. Test 1 2 3 4 5. So yeah, that's the Windows 10 network radio. And I'm using it on Wi-Fi at the moment. That's the LTE 4G antennas. I'm still going to connect all the LTE stuff inside, and I'm going to be putting a SDR receiver in here as well. So yeah, that's him. Thanks very much for viewing. Any questions, let me know.